If your battery terminals keep turning white, crusty, or green, don't ignore it. That corrosion can interfere with the connection and leave you chasing starting problems you could have prevented for a few dollars. Today, we're comparing 5 battery terminal protectors, and by the end, you'll know which one actually makes the most sense for your car. And if you want honest, no BS automotive reviews, hit subscribe. I've also put the latest product links and deals in the description, and if you're dealing with a specific battery problem, drop your vehicle in the comments. Number 5. Pangda 12 PCS Battery Terminal Anti-Corrosion Washers. Starting at number 5, the Pangda battery terminal washers are about as simple as battery protection gets. This set uses fiber washers designed to sit around the battery posts underneath the terminal connections. The 12-piece version gives you plenty of replacements, and the washers are designed for both 6 and 12-volt applications. The inner ring can also be removed to accommodate different terminal sizes, while the color coding helps distinguish positive and negative connections. Here's where this one makes sense. If you're looking for an inexpensive, easy-to-install preventative measure rather than a chemical coating, these are hard to ignore. They're particularly useful when you're installing a battery and want some basic protection already in place. But there's a catch. Washers alone don't give you the complete cleaning and protection process that you get with a dedicated treatment kit or protective spray. That's why Pangda starts our list at number 5. Number 4. NOCO NCP2M401 Battery Terminal Cleaning Kit. Now we're stepping up considerably. The NOCO M401 isn't just a protector. It's a complete battery treatment kit. It includes battery cleaner, NCP2 corrosion preventative, a battery brush, and terminal protectors. That means you can actually clean the existing buildup before protecting the terminals rather than simply covering up a dirty connection. And that's the biggest advantage here. NOCO's NCP2 is designed to create protection against corrosion-causing acid fumes, while the included cleaner and brush make this much more of a maintenance system than a single-purpose product. If you're dealing with visible corrosion or you're servicing an older battery, this makes far more sense than simply throwing on a protective washer. The downside is that it's more involved than using a simple spray or grease. But if you want an all-in-one approach, that's exactly why it earns the number 4 spot. Number 3. Permatex 80370 Battery Protector and Sealer. At number 3, we have the Permatex Battery Protector and Sealer. This is a dedicated aerosol coating designed specifically for battery terminals, batteries, and cables. Permatex says the product seals and coats the terminals to help prevent acid-salt corrosion, while also helping protect against battery drain and maintaining electrical flow. The product is a 6-ounce aerosol can with 5 ounces of net product. What I like about this approach is the simplicity. Clean the terminal first, then apply 2 thin coats from roughly 10 to 12 inches away. That's a straightforward maintenance routine for a daily driver, and the product is also suggested for automotive, marine, farm equipment, and motorcycle batteries. The important part is preparation. You want the terminal clean before applying protection. The drawback is that this is primarily a coating, so if your battery already has serious corrosion buildup, you'll need to clean that first. For straightforward preventative maintenance, though, Permatex is a very solid middle ground choice. Number 2. Permatex 22058 Dielectric Tune-Up Grease. Here's where the list gets interesting, because the number 2 product isn't marketed exclusively as a battery terminal protector. Permatex 22058 is a 3-ounce silicone dielectric grease designed to protect electrical connections and wiring from dirt, salt, and corrosion. Permatex specifically lists battery terminals among its applications, along with spark plug boots, ignition connections, headlamp connectors, and trailer electrical connections. That versatility is the reason I'd consider this a particularly smart choice for Diers who want one product that can handle more than just a battery. Permatex instructs users to clean the terminal surfaces first, apply the grease, and reassemble while maintaining metal-to-metal contact. That's an important detail. Dielectric grease is used as a protective material around the connection. You don't want to misunderstand its purpose and rely on grease instead of a clean electrical contact. Its temperature range is also listed from -65 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The trade-off is that it requires a little more hands-on application than simply spraying a protective coating. But for someone who maintains their own vehicle and wants a versatile electrical protection product, it's an excellent option. And that brings us to number 1. Number 1. CRC Battery Terminal Protector Spray. Taking the number 1 spot is the CRC Battery Terminal Protector Spray, and the reason is simple. It is specifically engineered around the job we're trying to accomplish, protecting battery terminals from corrosion. CRC says the coating helps prevent corrosion that can contribute to hard starting and battery failure, while also helping protect battery posts, terminals, hold-downs, and casings. The standout feature is the protective film. CRC describes it as a soft, visible, viscous coating designed to shield metal contacts from moisture, salts, and road grime without becoming brittle, cracking, or peeling. That makes it a practical choice for everyday vehicle maintenance, especially if your car sees moisture, road salt, dirt, or other conditions that accelerate corrosion. Here's the important part. CRC isn't a replacement for cleaning a badly corroded terminal. Clean the connection first, make sure the contact surfaces are properly prepared, and then use the protector as preventative maintenance. The one drawback is that it's an aerosol coating, so you'll want to use it carefully and follow the product's safety instructions. But for a dedicated, easy-to-apply battery terminal protector, CRC offers the strongest overall combination of purpose, practicality, and protection. So, which one should you buy? Pangda is the budget-friendly washer option. NOCO is the better choice if you want a complete cleaning and treatment kit. Permatex 80370 is excellent for straightforward spray-on battery protection. Permatex 22058 is the versatile choice if you also want to protect other electrical connections. And CRC takes the overall win for a dedicated battery terminal protection spray. The biggest mistake is waiting until corrosion has already become a problem. Clean the terminals, protect them properly, and make battery maintenance part of your routine. Check the description for the current product links and deals, subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews, and comment with your vehicle if you want help choosing the right option. Now you know exactly what separates these five, so choose the protection that actually fits the way you use your vehicle.